In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank accounts in Xero, and we'll do it in the easiest way possible. Let's dive right in. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and looking at your dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a selection of options. The one we're interested in here is labeled Accounting. Clicking on this will prompt a drop-down menu to appear right before your eyes. Now, from this drop-down menu, you'll want to locate and select Chart of Accounts. This section of Xero is fundamental as it organizes all your financial categories, making it a critical tool for accountants and business owners alike. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the accounts you currently have set up within Xero. Carefully scan through this list to find the specific bank account that you wish to remove. It's important to double-check that you've selected the correct account, as deleting it will permanently remove all associated information. To mark your chosen account for deletion, simply check the box next to its name. This step is crucial as it tells Xero which account you want to remove from the list. With the account selected, you're going to notice various options displayed at the top of the table list. Among these, you'll find a Delete button. Click on that, and Xero will proceed to remove the bank account from your Chart of Accounts. It's designed to be straightforward, but if you have any hesitations or second thoughts at this stage, take a moment to reconsider your decision before clicking Delete. And just like that, you've successfully deleted a bank account from Xero. The simplicity of these steps is designed to save you time and ensure that managing your financial records remains a seamless task. Remember, administrative tasks like this are part of maintaining clean and organized financial records, which can ultimately save time during audits or financial reviews. In conclusion, managing your Xero account efficiently by removing unnecessary or outdated bank accounts can help streamline your processes. So, whether you're decluttering, updating your records, or just cleaning up, this quick method is designed to make your work easier. That's it for today. Hope you found this guide useful, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on using Xero effectively. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.